My name is Josie Ruiz, and I was born in Chicago, Illinois, in America, and I go to College of the Holy Cross in Massachusetts. And my experience at Birds has been very wonderful. I've felt a lot of different emotions, being exposed to other people's lifestyles and reality, but learning these different lifestyles has taught me a lot about how different the systems work in India compared to America, and especially how America influences other countries around us. So I'm thankful for the Birds organization to have opened my eyes to the lifestyles of other people and how my lifestyle may influence a lot of lifestyles of others in and outside of America. So thank you.
Hi, my name is Matthew. I'm from College of the Holy Cross in Boston, Massachusetts in the United States. I really loved my experience at Birds, being able to interact with the people in the community and see the great work that Birds does in the community, and be able to ask them questions and be able to see the impact that Birds has in their lives was amazing, and it's something that I will take with me back to the United States and be able to tell others about some of the great work that you do here.
My name is Maria Alexander and I'm from Boston, Massachusetts. Spending the last week here at Birds has been very enlightening. I appreciate all of the work that Birds does specifically with women and children. I personally have a special passion for when it comes to women and children in their education and just having basic civil rights. So I really appreciated visiting the self-help groups and having the opportunity to visit Planet Hope and to assist with the classes at St. Mary's. So I would like to thank everyone at Birds for allowing me the opportunity to do so.
I'm Cameron Good. I'm a student at the College of the Holy Cross in Worcester, Massachusetts, in the United States of America. And I spent the last week with Birds, and I've seen all the good work they've been doing, and it's just really inspiring to see them help the less fortunate, these people that don't really have too much. It's great to see them work with it, and it's really inspiring and really nice. They're great.